For centuries, sleep was seen as a passive state, a time for rest and recovery. In ancient times, people believed that sleep was simply a way for the body to recharge, a nightly escape from the demands of the waking world. Myths and legends often described sleep as a mysterious realm, but few understood what truly happened during those quiet hours. But modern science reveals that sleep is a dynamic, orchestrated process, full of biological signals and patterns. Researchers have discovered that while we appear still, our brains and bodies are anything but inactive. In fact, sleep is a time of intense activity, with countless processes unfolding beneath the surface. Each night, our bodies generate a rich dataset: brain waves, heart rhythms, and breathing patterns, all offering clues to our health. These signals form a complex language, a nightly conversation between our organs and our brains. Every stage of sleep, from light dozing to deep slumber and vivid dreams, leaves its own unique signature in this data. Imagine if we could decode this nightly conversation. What secrets might it reveal? Could we learn about hidden health issues, or even predict future problems before they arise? The potential is enormous, and scientists are only beginning to scratch the surface. Until recently, we could only spot major disruptions, like sleep apnea, missing the finer details. Traditional sleep studies were limited, often focusing on the most obvious problems while overlooking subtle changes that could signal early warning signs. Now, with artificial intelligence, researchers are building tools to translate these complex signals into meaningful health insights. AI can sift through mountains of data, finding patterns invisible to the human eye, and helping doctors understand what our bodies are telling us while we sleep. Soon, a single night of sleep could provide a detailed health forecast, alerting us to risks before symptoms appear. Imagine waking up and seeing a personalized report on your phone, highlighting not just how well you slept, but what your sleep says about your overall health. The quiet hours of the night may soon become our most powerful health checkup, a time when our bodies speak in signals, and technology finally learns to listen. At the forefront of the AI revolution in healthcare is Stanford's Sleep FM, a truly groundbreaking artificial intelligence model that is changing how we understand the connection between sleep and health. Developed by a team of world-class researchers, Sleep FM is not just another AI. It's a leap forward in medical technology, aiming to transform the way we diagnose and prevent disease. Unlike traditional language models that process words and sentences, Sleep FM is designed to interpret the body's complex signals during sleep, such as brainwaves, heart rate, and breathing patterns. It acts as a translator, turning these biological signals into meaningful insights about our health. The model was trained on an unprecedented dataset: over 580,000 hours of sleep data collected from 65,000 patients, each paired with detailed health records. This massive scale allows Sleep FM to recognize subtle patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. By analyzing this wealth of information, Sleep FM learns to connect specific sleep patterns with a wide range of real-world health outcomes, from chronic diseases to early signs of acute conditions. The ultimate goal is ambitious: to teach AI to spot the faint, early signatures of disease that are hidden deep within sleep studies, often long before any symptoms appear. This could mean catching illnesses at their earliest, most treatable stages. With just a single night's sleep data, Sleep FM can now provide a comprehensive risk assessment for more than 100 different health conditions, ranging from heart disease and diabetes to neurological disorders and respiratory issues. This technology marks a dramatic shift in healthcare, moving diagnostics from a reactive approach, where we wait for symptoms, to a proactive one, where risks are flagged early and patients can receive timely, potentially life-saving interventions. Thanks to Sleep FM, the once humble sleep study is being reimagined as a powerful, comprehensive health screening tool, capable of revealing hidden risks and guiding personalized care for each individual. As we look to the future, it's clear that the next era of medicine may begin with something as simple and as vital as a good night's sleep. How does Sleep FM decode the body's signals? The AI ingests streams of data: brainwaves, heart rhythms, breathing, and movement, broken into 5-second segments, like words in a sentence. By analyzing these words, Sleep FM learns the grammar of sleep, discovering patterns linked to future disease. It wasn't programmed to look for specific signs. It found them by learning from 65,000 patient histories. When given new data, Sleep FM compares it to its vast library, calculating personalized risk based on the deepest patterns of physiology. This approach uncovers connections invisible to human eyes, making early detection possible. The results are remarkable. Sleep FM can predict a wide range of diseases from a single night's sleep. It achieves over 80% accuracy for major neurodegenerative and cardiovascular diseases, including Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and heart attacks. Even certain cancers like prostate and breast cancer can be forecasted with high confidence. Most strikingly, Sleep FM predicts overall mortality risk with 84% accuracy. The AI doesn't just flag poor sleep. It identifies unique risk signatures for specific diseases. Each condition leaves a distinct pattern, allowing for targeted, personalized health forecasts. This level of detail transforms sleep studies into powerful predictive tools. Sleep FM offers a glimpse into our health future that was once unimaginable. While Sleep FM's accuracy is impressive, it varies by condition. For diseases like chronic kidney disease, stroke, and arrhythmia, accuracy is slightly lower, around 78%, but still outperforms many current tools. Some disease signals are simply harder to detect in sleep data, requiring more data or refined analysis. This spectrum of performance guides researchers on where to focus next. Understanding why some conditions are harder to predict helps improve the model. The Stanford team is now investigating how to boost accuracy for these challenging cases. Acknowledging these differences isn't a weakness, it's a roadmap for progress. Sleep FM is already a leap forward, with even greater potential ahead. Why is sleep such a powerful window into our health? Sleep studies capture hours of continuous data, free from daily distractions, revealing the body's baseline functions. One key insight: health problems often show up as a lack of synchrony between systems, like the brain and heart falling out of step. This internal discord is a warning sign, often preceding disease. Sleep FM excels at detecting these subtle breakdowns in communication, something human observers might miss. Sleep is a stress test for our autonomic nervous system, exposing early signs of trouble. By monitoring this interplay, Sleep FM can spot issues before they become crises. It's like hearing a faint engine knock before a breakdown, giving us time to act. As promising as Sleep FM is, it's important to recognize its limitations. The AI was trained on patients already referred to sleep clinics, people more likely to have health issues. This means the results may not fully apply to the general, healthier population. The next step is to test Sleep FM on broader groups to confirm its predictive power. Also, the AI finds correlations, not causes. More research is needed to understand the biological mechanisms behind these patterns. Recognizing these limits is essential for responsible science. The Stanford team is already planning follow-up studies to address these questions. Progress depends on transparency and rigorous validation. The future of Sleep FM goes beyond the sleep clinic. Clinical studies are precise but not practical for everyone. The next frontier is adapting Sleep FM to work with data from consumer wearables, like smartwatches and rings. These devices already track heart rate and sleep stages, offering a continuous stream of data from real life. If Sleep FM can analyze wearable data, it could provide regular health updates, alerting users and doctors to emerging risks. This shift would make proactive health monitoring accessible and affordable for millions. The dream: personalized, AI-powered health forecasts from the comfort of your own bed. Sleep FM marks a turning point in medicine. For decades, healthcare has focused on treating illness after it appears. But now, we stand at the threshold of a new era, one where prevention and prediction take center stage. Imagine a world where your nightly rest becomes a window into your future health, offering insights that were once unimaginable. Instead of waiting for symptoms to disrupt our lives, we can now anticipate and prevent disease before it ever takes hold. This shift means that patients and doctors can work together to address health risks early, long before they become serious problems. Early warnings for conditions like Parkinson's or heart disease could enable timely interventions and dramatically improve outcomes. By catching subtle changes in sleep patterns, we may be able to spot the earliest signs of neurological or cardiovascular issues, giving patients a crucial head start. Sleep FM empowers both patients and doctors with unprecedented foresight, transforming healthcare from a reactive system into a proactive partnership. With personalized predictions, individuals can make informed choices about their lifestyle, medications, and preventive care. Routine sleep studies, or even data from everyday wearable devices, could soon become a cornerstone of annual health checkups. This means that monitoring your sleep could be as important as checking your blood pressure or cholesterol. Of course, challenges remain: validation of these new tools, protecting patient privacy, and understanding the psychological impact of knowing your future health risks. These are hurdles we must address as we move forward, but the path ahead is promising. Our nightly rest, once overlooked, may hold the key to longer, healthier lives. By unlocking the secrets hidden in our sleep, we can take control of our health like never before. As this technology matures, it could become one of our most powerful tools for preventive health, helping millions avoid disease and live better, fuller lives. The future of medicine may be written in the language of sleep, and with each passing night, we move closer to a world where health and longevity are within everyone's reach.